Hello! Gumano ka na, hello! Happy birthday, kuya!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you! Sa Saturday ba yun? O kailan ba ang party nyo? This is surprise nga eh. Para daw surprise sa'yo eh. Eh, ask sila ng, ng taga-Cubao na mag-video daw sa inyo. So, this is it. Ito si Mother. Ito si Mother. This is me. Okay? Hello, madlang people! Hello!
Hello,
taga-Cubao.
everybody!
Hello, Mobida family! Hello, everybody! To all, everyone! And-
Nadidinig niyo ba yung music namin?
Yan ang happy birthday songs for you. Yun nga lang, wala kaming kandila, wala akong cake, wala akong niready. Pero ito lang kami, ito lang ang pwede kong for the meantime. Ito lang ang munang babati namin sa'yo. Happy birthday sa'yo, Kuya Brad. My Kuya Brother. Kuya Bay. So, ito lang ang masasabi ko sa'yo. Stay alive, stay healthy. Wishing you all the best. At isa pa, lagi kang na magpipray tayo lagi. So, ito si Mother, napakita mo, healthy. Parang teenager.
8-8 na ako.
8-8 ro. Ito naman, 16.
18.
Okay. So, anong babatiin nyo? Anong sasabihin nyo, Mother? Okay.
Ay, happy birthday ba yan? Nadidinig mo ba yung music? Ilakas mo nga.
O, sige, malakas na. Okay.
Nadidinig mo yung music namin. Yung pa yung merong birthday, pinapatugtog ko yun. Kahit ako ang may birthday, mag-isa dito. Sige yung cassette ko, happy birthday, long live my son. Long live, long life. May God bless us. And sana patnubayan tayo ng miracles of healing ng Lord. Lahat ng mga check-up natin, maging negative, maging normal.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. You're the best, Kuya.
Nakikita ba nila tayo? Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kuya. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Ito yung
Long life.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday
Ako naman yung isa.
to you.
Happy
birthday, happy birthday,
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. This is baby.
Ako naman isa.
This is my baby. Happy birthday. Hawakan nyo.
Ay, yung isa
Ito nga, isa nga.
Ito ba yung mailap? Ito ba yung malaki?
Here, the whole family here. Sorry, wala pa si Alice, hindi pa dumarating na nasa trabaho pa. So, kami lang muna ngayon. So, ngayon, ito kami. Ito kami ngayon sa aming araw-araw. Ito ang aming buhay dito kasama yung aso namin. So, hey, happy birthday! Say happy birthday, Kuya Bay! Say happy birthday, Tito Bay! Say happy birthday!
Long live.
Huwag mo na hawakan yung buka niya. Ganyan lang. Happy birthday, baby! Happy birthday, Tito Bay!
Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Okay. I salute you. Long life to live. Live your life to the fullest. May God bless you. Da. Okay? Okay. Sandali. May wag kayo dahil magsasabi, ako magsasalita ako dito. Pagod ako sa pag-isaya. Hi, Kuya! Meron sana akong letter or in writing ko na lang sasabihin sa yung greetings ko, ha? Kasi hindi ko alam po ano sabihin ko sa iyo eh. Ano lang, yung to express myself lang dahil birthday mo ngayon. So, this is yung meron akong ginawang in writing na babasahin ko, ha? Babasahin ko na lang, ha? Para wala akong makakalimutan. So, this is for you, Kuya Bay. Okay.
Makikita ba yun?
Okay, this for you, Kuya Bay. Dear brother, Kuya Bay, happy birthday to the best brother in the world. May this birthday be bright for you. You're my dear brother. You are my dear brother. Are the piece of childhood that can never be forgotten. Remembering all the pleasant memories, the good times that we had, the bad times which made us mad. Silly fights and reasons so weird. When I think about it, I feel so absurd. We may be miles apart, but your love will always remain in my heart. Remember that. I want to thank you for all the memories that I have with you. Thank you for all the lovely childhood memories. Thank you for protecting and guiding me always, all the time. Thank you for watching my back when I thought that I am too strong to manage things by myself. I know that no matter what I do, you will always be there to watch my back forever and always. Thank you for all the love and for all have you done for me. Thank you for everything, for leading me and guiding me. A special prayer and wonderful cheer, lots of luck for you. May God shower you with abundant blessings and grant you a long and healthy life. May you have lived 100 years. On your birthday, I wish you all the best. May all your dreams come true. May you reach your goals and get even higher. Okay? And happy birthday again, my dear brother. I love you. We all love you. You are the best. Love, love, love. So that's it. That's my short message to you. Just to express myself. Express my message coming from my heart. So, you know me. Sometimes I'm weird. Sometimes, but hey, this is me. This is me. Bang, bang. Olori. Okay. Coming from Carson, California, USA. More power, mother.
I love you, Bayani. Love you all. More life to come. And God bless.
Thank you.
The
Thank you
miracle
po.
of healing.
Okay.
Sana yung mga check-up natin maging normal, maging negative due to the miracles of God that will be given to us. Miracles come up and gamutin mo po kami sa lahat ng karamdaman namin, sa lahat ng disgrasya, sa lahat ng kapahamakan. Lagi sana tayong subaybayan, saan man tayo naroon. In every step of my foot, in every step of my faith, at my feet, please guide us. Sana tayong magkakaroon.
Okay, here we are. Lovely, lovely, Dabby. Okay, this is our bonding together. Hi! Say hi! So, kiss. Kiss mommy. Kiss me. Okay. I love you. Say I love you, mommy. I love you.
Love you all. No pobre. Love all my children and all my grandchildren and my, ano ba yung, apo sa to? My great grandchildren. Love you all. Love. Always with love.
Okay, always, all the time. Okay, bye. That's it. The more power to you. Good luck and good health, Kuya Bay. To everybody. Bye. And wish you all the best. Okay? Bye. Bye. Thanks for all the time. For the time that we shared. Okay. Bye.